Yeah, today we are going to look on how to fix private DNS when your Wi-Fi is rejecting connections. Okay, so now I turn on my Wi-Fi and you're gonna see the response. Okay, here you see something like private DNS server cannot be accessed. That's a problem there, right? So how do you fix this? How do you fix this? It's easy. You just need to go to settings, right? To settings, you get to settings, you get like connection. You tap on the connection, you scroll right down and you will see more connections, like more connection settings, right? You tap on the more connection settings. Now you look here, you see nearby device scanning, printing, VPN, private DNS. You see, couldn't connect. You tap on it. Now you see, private DNS provider host name, it's on. So what you do here is you have to turn it off. Here, I'm gonna turn off. Yeah, turn off and save it. Don't forget to save. Save. Okay. Let's see what happened next. Let's see what happened next. Wow, the connection is right here. Great job. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and follow for more tips.